This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to play Pokémon on Citra. First, you'll want to download the Citra emulator, which is a fantastic tool for playing Nintendo 3DS games. Head over to the official Citra website and select the version compatible with your computer's operating system, whether that's Windows, Mac OS, or Linux. The installation process is straightforward. Just follow the prompts, and you'll have Citra ready to go in just a few moments. It's the essential first step to enjoying your favorite Pokémon adventures. Next up, you'll need your Pokémon game files. The most recommended and legal way to get these is by dumping your own Nintendo 3DS game cartridges using custom firmware on your console. Once you have your game, ensure it's in a format Citra can read, typically a 3DS or CCI file. After acquiring your game, create a dedicated folder on your computer to store it, making it simple to locate when you're ready to load it into the emulator. This keeps everything organized and ready for play. Now, let's fine-tune Citra for the best experience. Launch the emulator and dive into the configuration settings. Here, you can tweak various options, like graphics, to balance visual fidelity with smooth performance. For example, you might increase the internal resolution for sharper visuals. Don't forget to set up your controls. Whether you prefer a keyboard or a gamepad, mapping your inputs ensures a comfortable and responsive gaming session. Experiment a bit to find what works best for you. Finally, it's time to play. In Citra, go to File and then Add New Game Directory to point the emulator to the folder where you saved your Pokémon game files. Once added, your game will appear in Citra's main window. Simply double-click the game title, and your adventure will begin. You can now enjoy Pokémon with potential enhancements like higher resolutions and the convenience of save states, offering a fresh way to experience these beloved titles. Have fun catching 'em all.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.